How to fix YouTube not working on a TCL TV. If YouTube is not working on your TCL TV, it could be due to connectivity, app issues, or outdated software. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Restart your TCL TV. Turn off your TCL TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Check if YouTube works properly. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Test your connection by running the network diagnostic in the TV settings. Restart your router/modem if there are connectivity issues. Step 3. Update the YouTube app. Open the Roku Channel Store for Roku TVs or the Google Play Store for Android TVs. Navigate to the YouTube app and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart the app. Step 4. Update TCL TV firmware. Go to Settings System Update. Check for and install any firmware updates for your TCL TV. Restart your TV after updating. Step 5. Clear YouTube app cache and data for Android TCL TVs. Go to Settings Apps YouTube on your TV. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data, then reopen the app. Step 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. Uninstall the YouTube app for Roku TVs. Highlight the app, press the star button, and select Remove Channel. For Android TVs, go to Settings Apps. YouTube uninstall. Reinstall the app from the respective store and sign back in. Step 7. Factory reset your TCL TV. If necessary, go to Settings System Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your TV to default settings. Reinstall and set up the YouTube app again. Step 8. Use an external streaming device. If YouTube still doesn't work, consider connecting a Roku stick, Fire Stick, or Chromecast. Access YouTube through the external device. These steps should help resolve YouTube issues on your TCL TV. If the problem persists, contact TCL support for further assistance.